Hello! Thank you for choosing Bluevua. In this video, we will show you how to set up and use your new ROPOT Lite reverse osmosis drinking water system. The package includes an RO water system with 6-in-1 filter assembled, a water tank, a glass carafe, a infuser basket, a user guide, and infused water recipes. If you have any questions about the setup or the product you received, please feel free to reach out to us. As a portable purifying device, the ROPOT Lite system does not require any installation and can simply be placed at anywhere near the power outlet. For the first-time use, please wash the water tank and the glass carafe before turning on the system. Plug the power cord into an outlet. Next, fill the water tank to the max volume line and place it back to the system. Make sure both the water tank and the glass carafe are both stably placed. Touch the flush button to automatically flush water through the system. Pour out the water left in the water tank and the carafe after completing a flushing cycle. Repeat the above steps 4 times to flush out the protective liquid in the filter. Be aware that the water is not drinkable during the flushing process. Fill the water tank with tap water, then place it back onto the water tank base. Make sure both the water tank and the glass carafe are both stably placed. Touch the volume button to select desired water volume of half or full carafe. Touch the water making button. The system will start filtering and producing pure, clean water into the carafe. Finally, to extend service life and maintenance intervals, please do discard the RO reject water when the water level drops below the separator in the water tank. Making fruit-infused water. Fill the water tank with tap water. Place the prepared fruits into the glass infuser basket, then place the basket into the glass carafe. Secure the carafe under the water filter and press the water volume button. Choose the amount of water you would like. Start filtering the water by pressing the water making button. Once filled, close the carafe and store it in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now you are all set. Let's raise a glass to taking charge of our health.